Hi guys, now I'm going to show you this Praktica MTL3 that I have. It comes with this Zeiss Jena DDR Tessar 50mm 2.8 lens. I'm going to show you the aesthetics first. Maybe I take up the lens since I'm going to show you the lens later as well. Okay, so this is the front. This is the top. This is the bottom. This is the back. This is one side. And this is the other side. So this one comes with this strap, which I'll set aside. First I'm going to demonstrate to you the light meter to show that it works. Let me put it one side. So when I press this button, the light meter will activate. Okay, yeah. See? So the light meter works. However, okay, show you inside first. So this is how inside looks like. This is how inside looks like. And unfortunately it does not fire. It's stuck. Okay, so yeah, so this is the demonstration for the camera itself. Now I'm going to show you the lens. So this is a lens. Show you. So this is the front. This is the side. Focusing is smooth. Blades work. Alright, so this is the back. I'm gonna show a shine test. Okay, so this is a shine test. Alright, there you go. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.